Porsche 911 992 Carrera. We're doing Akrapovic exhaust, we're doing some Soul Performance, catless downpipes, and a Softronic software tune. So the ECU just came back from the tuners. We're going to install it, install the hard parts, and get the gains, you know what I'm saying? So for this one, we're doing a Toyota FJ Cruiser, front bumper, winch, and lights. And we have our buddy with his WRX right here getting some wide body fender flares to accommodate his new very wide wheels.
This crack. This is an exhaust system for a 992 Porsche 911. This is Akrapovic. It's pronounced Akrapovic, not Akrapovic. I've seen guys with $1 million cars that can't pronounce it. All it takes is one phone call to the company and they pick up, "Hi, Akrapovic." That's your answer. Anyway, look how lightweight this thing is. I think, what does this go for? Like 5 racks? Yeah, 48. 48. It has tips too, of course. Carbon fiber tips, that's a lot of the pricing too.
No, they're not carbon.
No, they're not carbon?
Yeah,
nope, they're on there right now.
Flat black?
They're installed already.
Flat black. Not carbon.
Carbon's no money.
Made in Slovenia. Sick, right? But yeah, this is a whole exhaust system.
You know what that is, V? It's a muffler delete.
It's a muffler delete.
Yeah.
It's really a muffler delete. That resonates better because it's titanium.
Yeah.
But also, I guess the way it's tubed,
yeah, that's true.
Probably creates, rather than just like, you know. And then what's the other piece of the puzzle? Oh, these. Did you show Clive these before?
No, I was going to say, I did these.
These are Soul Performance catless downpipes. These are made to order. Yeah, these are fucking great as hell. Check that out. So everything's super, super lightweight.
You're going to lose like 30 pounds.
The lighter, the more expensive. That's kind of how it goes in the car world, you know?
That's it right there, right? Look at that. It's like a fucking glove. What the hell is this?
I'll just edit that out.
What the fuck is this? Oh, there we go. Never mind.
And we're good.
I like this texture. It's like, you can like clean these and they come out.
Ooh. Let me just get a snap, baby.
Go for it, Poppy.
God, this kid is like dying for me to put him on the ground. He like, great, he's always like, yo. It was fucked up because he sent his bumper here. He like shipped this bumper from DeMello Off-Road. It takes like a million weeks or whatever. And then when the bumper came, he's like, post my bumper in the story, like tag me. And I was like, I got you. I never did that. I'm an asshole. So like, I'm gonna make sure I take care of him, like, and hype him up today.
Right, what we got going on here, bro?
We built some brackets for this guy to put into his fog light holes over there in this bumper that we just painted. Nothing insane, nothing crazy, just everyday mechanics, basically.
Now, I want you to say that again, but like, so the mic can hear you.
Oh, you want me to yell?
I mean, not yell, but project a little bit.
Don't trail off and mumble.
All right.
Yeah, like,
Mother So, this is basically the setup. This is the bracket. It's gonna go into the side over here, like this, inside. It's gonna be attached to a bull bar bracket that we're gonna put the bull bar back as we slowly put this together again. Basically, I made this out of a, what is it, 1/4 inch steel, some sort of bar. Bent it on over there by the vise, drilled a circular hole with this, and then used a file to make it square in order for the square locking nut just to go directly in there and just lock itself in there while you turn without having to hold this end and tighten at one end, so it just tightens the nut and that's it. Your whole deal right there. So we're gonna see how it fits, how it angles, and we could always slide it too. Like, so we have adjustability, and you know, it's a cool little project. So
It's hot out here, bro.
what's for lunch, yo? That's what the real question is.
You tell me, man. I'm in your guys' domain right now.
I don't even know. I'm fucking hungry though. I didn't eat breakfast. All I cared about was picking up my car this morning.
Priorities.
Priorities, yo. No food, no water. Make sure the car runs right.
What you got going on here, fam?
Other than putting in the fogs, we're just wrapping up the front bumper. It just came back from the body shop. We got like a texturized paint. We just put in the back bumper. That's pretty much it. Oh, the grill is not an original grill for the Jeep, so we're making custom brackets. I just painted the bracket so that it blend in with the grill. So essentially, right here, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, fire.
Making multi-purpose brackets right here, so that they won't be able to see it. Just regular nut and bolt. And that's about it. And this Jeep is about to be out of there. Oh, I think tomorrow we have the fog lights, the single did. Pretty easy stuff.
No, I'm just watching you. Make sure it's good. Make sure nothing breaks. This is FJ Cruiser with DeMello off-road steel front bumper, Baja design fog, and Smitty built winch. Beautiful. Very nice, yo. So this bumper's like super strong and has recovery points too. So if you get stuck in the mud or anything like that, these points on this bumper can actually support the weight of pulling the truck out of whatever it's stuck in. That's why it has the winch too. That winch might be a 12,000 pound winch. So this is great. It could pull itself out of a shit situation and it can pull its buddies out of shit situations too. Swing. Swing. Let's give a little post, get him on there. Follow this guy. My buddy Chris. He's got this cool FJ. Yeah, dude, of course, man. Yeah, dude. It's fam.
I hope, I literally, some dude in the street rolled up to me like on one of those single wheel.
He called me.
He did?
Yeah, he was like, yo, I saw this FJ. I stopped this guy.
Bro,
He told me to go to the
that's
custom
fucking
shop.
hilarious.
Yeah, it was man cool. So we set up a consultation time.
And he literally
So he's
talked
gonna
to, I
come
was
in.
playing softball at Queensbridge, and he
Yeah.
rolled up to me. I was like, who
He's
is
a European
this
guy or something, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he had a really like European accent. And
Like, I have lift kit. I want to
yeah.
put it on. I was
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
where do I go? I was like, go to the custom shop. And he's like, where is it? I was like, look at my license plate. So he like
Nice.
pulled me aside. I was like, I gotta go, bro. But like,
Google
I'll talk
it.
to you. I'll talk to you soon, dog.
that was cool.
Yeah.
No, he's gonna come by.
He's gonna put a lift kit on it.
Yeah, I'm hoping,
He has
man.
a trail team's FJ Cruiser, which is nice.
Nice.
So, again, this is your tension. Give it out. Down.
What is the point of that? What are you squeezing this into the...
Right. You ever notice those in panels and stuff, like it mushroom on the back?
Yeah.
Same thing. Yeah, this one. Little slap, and then slowly, no rush, otherwise it squeeze. Yeah? Done. Then, plastic. So plastic, it's even worse because it's plastic. You want to be very little, not too much, a bit more, done.
So what we got going on here is some seam sealer.
Yes, sir. Because this is double metal, inner fender, outer fender. Seal it back, mask it off, paint it, undercoat it a little bit of light black paint just to make it look pretty.
Yep.
Keep it nice and simple. And whenever I do this, I feel like I'm a royalty. I feel like I'm working with that Japanese dude.
Oh, Nakai, the guy. When he's just in there, just
Yeah. Like a royalty.
And then this is also just so there's no like exposed metal, so
Right.
you can't get any moisture in there.
Right.
Between him and Bruno, forget it. You have a short in your car. You have a fucking
Got you. I'll tell you
weird
exactly.
light.
I
You
can
know
tell
what
you
the fuck's
exactly
going
what it
on.
is.
Dude, we've had cars that these people like they fuck with the car so bad that the wiring's so bad that like one time we had a 240SX. When you hit the button to flip up the headlights to turn on, the radio would shut down. And then when you turn the headlights off, the radio would turn back on. So we fixed that, but like, if there's any wiring out there, that anybody out there might be watching this, that has an issue, you're doing a project car, you can't find the short, you're really not savvy on reading these schematics, call us, we got you, we got that. This guy's nice, super nice. We also have All Data, we're an All Data subscriber, so we're like completely in touch live with all the dealer labor rates, all dealer schematics, all dealer everything for every part, for pretty much every part. So that's pretty cool. So like the other day we did the Dodge Viper coilovers, and the schematic was great because it literally told you each bolt in order, which corner of the car to start, how to do it, how to torque everything. It was beautiful. So we installed the Dodge Viper coilovers like dealer coilover spec, which is great. So hit us up, you know?
Plug,
right?
bro.
Yeah, bro.
New Viper?
From the newer Viper, the one before basically.
Sounds like you've been looking into Vipers a lot there, bro.
Dude, I get horny like for certain cars for certain times, and like right now I'm on a horny tip. Like I don't know.
The one?
I'm at the point definitely where I'm going to get something super cool. I just don't know what it is. But
Look at that one. I don't know if you.
I don't like stripes on the shit though. If
That
it was
is
gonna be
alright.
striped,
Stripe delete is sick, but
Trying to see what the position of the actuator is. Is it on? Is it closed or is it open? Yeah, it seems to be open because if it's open, see this clip here. The spring is very sensitive and it tends to fall out if you don't have it exactly in place. All right, so it's in. Basically, it just it has like that pressure. You can see it moving. It has that sort of pressure. So when it does get that signal to actuate it, it has the pressure from the spring to rotate it. It's pretty genius. I mean, I don't care about loudness or a valve or any of that stuff. But for the people who have a luxury sports car like this one, this 992.
Best of both worlds.
Yeah, the best of both worlds. Amen. Just this pipe is like 5 G's. So 5,000. The whole car is like 5,000.
let's show that difference.
Okay, so this pipe doesn't have a suitcase, meaning a muffler. They call them suitcases with the size of this thing. It's a good 40, 50 pounds, all that stuff. With this, you can see the comparison of what you're holding with this for stock and what you're holding with this.
yo guys, thank you so much for tuning into the shop vlog today. Next week there's going to be another episode. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notifications. If you have any suggestions or anything, drop a comment below. Thanks a lot. Peace. So, thanks for watching, right?
Yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around this far. Or thank you, if you made it this far. Thank you for sticking
This
around.
far, like meaning through the whole episode?
Yeah, like you made it to the end. Because if you're seeing this, you made it to the whole video. So we with you, son.
It's pretty heat.
You was family at this point.
Pretty
I'm at
heat.
your baby shower.
That's almost the same thing.